Hi, I'm Matt. If you're hungry for something sweet and you have 3 minutes on your hands, you can make this brownie in a cup, starting with 1 tablespoon of butter. Put this into a mug. Put this in the microwave for just about 30 seconds, or you can do 30-second bursts until the butter is melted. Put 2 tablespoons of sugar into my butter. So 1, 2. I also want to add a pinch of salt. Stir this together right now just to get things started. 3 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 3. 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1.5. I'm going to sift these ingredients into my mug, mix those ingredients up, combine things a little bit before I add my wet ingredients to it. 3 tablespoons of whole milk into my mug. The last ingredient I add to this is just a splash or a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time to mix. Mix until just combined. Now I want to toss in 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, and I'm also going to toss in just a touch of peanut butter chips. Stir that together just until combined, and this goes into the microwave for 90 seconds. This is the perfect thing to put together in about 3 minutes. Give it a try. You've got to make this recipe. It's just perfection. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out some of my other sweets and bakes I have on my Sweets and Bakes playlist. I'll see you next time.